Keva meal replacement powder is a high-protein powder designed to provide excellent nourishment with a specified calorie count. It serves as a perfect meal replacement, meeting your daily nutritional requirements. Available in delicious mango and kulfi flavors, it is an ideal option for breakfast and meal replacement. This powder is a perfect blend of healthy and essential nutrients, including proteins, isolated soya protein, whey protein concentrate, and soy powder, vitamins, vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12, C, D2, E, and biotin. Minerals, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, chromium, and potassium. Special ingredients, green coffee bean extract and watermelon extract. Additional nutrients, fiber, carbohydrates, fatty acids, cholesterol, and linoleic acid. Consuming Keva meal replacement powder, along with a calorie-restricted diet and moderate physical activity, can lead to noticeable reductions in body weight and body fat, while maintaining overall health and well-being. It provides all the nutritional benefits of a meal without overloading on calories, fat, and sugar. It offers optimum protein and vital minerals and vitamins essential for a healthy body. Low fats and carbohydrates. Helps in weight loss by reducing extra calories from the diet and maintaining weight. BCAAs contains 3 essential amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, valine, which may help prevent weight gain, enhance fat loss, and maintain weight by preventing rebound weight gain. Soy protein, offers a multitude of benefits. It improves diet and cardiovascular health, which is, pretty amazing. It also helps in preventing certain types of cancer. Plus, it enhances health post-menopause, which is super important. And let's not forget, it aids in obesity prevention and control. Soy isoflavones, the compounds found in soy, prevent fat buildup and improve insulin sensitivity. All in all, soy protein is a powerhouse of benefits. Keva protein benefits provides essential amino acids for muscle growth. It stimulates the release of anabolic hormones that promote muscle growth. High in leucine, which aids in muscle protein synthesis. Quickly absorbed and utilized, making it effective for weight loss and increasing lean muscle mass. Green coffee extract benefits, high in chlorogenic acids, a group of antioxidants that offer various health benefits, supports weight loss when combined with a proper diet and exercise regimen. Key benefits of Keva meal replacement powder: special dietary use for weight management, reduces sugar cravings and binges, enhances endurance for more effective fat burning, reduces muscle soreness, allowing for more frequent exercise, helps retain muscle mass while shedding fat, promotes healthy immune function, strong bones and teeth, and clear vision, aids in calcium absorption and bone health, acts as an antioxidant to preserve cell membranes, improves iron absorption, and supports protein metabolism, essential for DNA synthesis and red blood cell production, supports various bodily functions, including blood production and nerve impulse transmission, helps regulate blood sugar levels and increases insulin sensitivity. Experience the numerous health benefits of Keva meal replacement powder and achieve your nutritional and weight management goals effectively.